What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Dad Does Videos. We just finished using our electric pressure washer, so I thought this would be a great time to show you how quick and how easy it is to apply pump protectant to your pressure washer. And it doesn't matter if you're using a gas pressure washer or an electric pressure washer, it's important to apply pump protectant to it. You can pick these up for 10, 12, 14 bucks at your local hardware store. I will put the link in the description if you want to use this one. They're all pretty much the same thing and you apply them all the same way. Three big reasons why you want to apply pump protectant to your pressure washer after every use. First, it prevents internal corrosion. Second, it keeps your seals lubricated. And third, it helps prevent mineral deposits. Now, if you can't do this after every use, you should absolutely be applying it, worst case scenario, to your pressure washer before you store it for the winter, because it helps prevent internal parts from freezing during that time period. Let's show you how to apply it. Okay, here's a close-up view of the pump protectant that I purchased and that I'm going to use. And notice it doesn't say gas pressure washer pump protectant or electric pressure washer pump protectant, because you can use this stuff regardless of whether you have a gas pressure washer or an electric pressure washer. These are all kind of set up the same way. Got a can, we've got a cap that allows you to push the button on top, and then we've got the tube and the device at the end that screws right into the part of your pressure washer that the hose typically goes into. So let's go ahead and show you how easy this is. And by the way, your pressure washer should be turned off, not plugged in. Obviously the hose is not plugged in because that's where we need to screw in the end of this device. So you're gonna go ahead and attach, just like you would a hose. And we're just gonna press the button on top. And then when we see the pump protectant come out the other side, that's when we're finished. That is it, my friends. What did that take? 5 seconds to actually apply that? Absolutely worth your time to make sure your pressure washer is protected after every use. Thanks for watching, everybody.